mushroom burger stuffed with cheese. Every single juicy bite got me weak to my knees. Silver burger with cheese on with hummus, loaded up and smashed together. So good, that's a promise.
Yes, TikTok chef Gabrielle is back to share with us one of her musical meals. Today, she is reinventing the classic Juicy Lucy burger with a little vegan twist. Welcome, Gabrielle. How you doing? Nice to see you.
Hello, hello.
So you've been on the show before.
Yes.
Here we are doing a little singing and cooking, I believe.
Stir the kidney beans, stir the kidney beans.
Okay. Good time.
I like that one right there. Hey, you had me singing and grooving and eating my favorite things right there. Since then, your career's really taken off. Tell us about other stuff you're working on.
Oh my goodness. I have an album coming out with my husband.
What?
Yes,
Congrats.
yes. We're really excited about that. And then I have another cookbook coming out. So I recently found out I'm like 23 different cultures from all across the world.
Wow.
So I'm doing a cookbook about every single culture in my life. Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes, and
right
then I
there.
also have something working up that I can't really tell everybody about, but you know.
Okay, you
you
fill
gonna
us
see
in
it
later.
soon. Yeah,
Sounds
you
good.
gonna see it soon.
Congratulations on all that. Well, I love everything that you're about, combining some of my favorite things, music and food. What is this monstrous burger you've got over here, and what are you going to show me to do?
This is our mushroom burger stuffed with cheese. And
my
this
gosh.
recipe is pretty easy, actually. Do you want to get going?
Yes,
Wanna
you tell
get
me what
going?
to do.
All
I'm your sous chef.
Come on in here. Okay, so the first thing we got to do, we got vegan cheese right here and hummus.
Oh.
We're going to combine
We
these
put it all together?
Yes.
Whole
Join
thing?
it, mix it up.
Okay.
Mix it up, mix it up.
Mix it up.
Mix up the cheese.
Mix it up.
Yes, yes. You got to sing and mix at the same time.
Oh, this is a little workout right here.
Ooh, yes, this is what's going to become ooey and gooey and
Okay,
delicious.
got it.
Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wash off these little mushrooms right here, and you don't want to rinse them. Don't do that.
Don't rinse
Instead,
them.
get a nice damp towel.
Okay.
And you just lightly touch it like that, and that way get off any of the dirt. And
Okay.
then once you're done with that,
Then
you're
you get
actually
my
gonna.
deal?
Oh yes, you're gonna stuff it in there just
Put it
like
right
that.
here. Is that good right there?
Stuff it in there. Beautiful.
Okay,
And as
boom.
you can see, I don't have the stems in there
Yeah.
too, so it's gonna be easy to just.
Wow, look at that.
Close it
It's
up.
already a burger itself.
Boom! Yeah, we just
Okay.
bite into that right there. But instead, we're actually gonna freeze up our burgers. As you can see, it's kind of chill, cool,
Oh, wow.
right?
Okay.
So once you've frozen up your burger for about like 10 to 20 minutes,
Yes.
we're gonna dunk it and dip it in our
Dunk and
bat.
dip it, okay.
Yes, dunk, dip, batter it up. Now this right here,
What
this
is
is
that?
actually Indian black salt and coconut milk.
Oh,
Do you know
wow.
Indian black salt?
I know coconut milk.
Okay, well, Indian black salt actually has sulfur in it,
Oh,
and that
what?
gives it a nice eggy
Oh.
flavor. Yes, look at that. We're gonna dunk it in there. Now, what I'm doing is I'm actually just gonna be dunking this in my gluten-free flour. It also has some steak seasoning, because, you know, seasoning is everything when you're making vegan food.
It better be.
Okay, come
It
on,
better
you know
be.
it is. You better believe. And then we're going to dunk it into our nice gluten-free breadcrumbs. Now,
Those are monsters.
I know, I know. As you
Okay.
can see, I have one already done up. You can deep fry this, you can air fry, you can bake
wow.
it. It doesn't really matter, but how it's gonna come out, boom,
Oh,
it's
look at
just like this.
Look at that.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
That is pretty.
So
That
I'm
is
gonna get my
pretty.
hands a little cleaned
You
up,
got
as you
it.
can see.
And
Got a
then
little
what you want me to
dirtiness
do
going on.
next? I'll help you out.
Oh, we're gonna make a delicious sauce,
Okay.
special sauce. Now, as you can see, I got some vegan mayonnaise, I got some ketchup, and some mustard. Now, you
Okay.
love a burger sauce. I
Mix
already
it all
know.
together, right?
Mix that
Oh,
baby up.
mix it all together.
Mix it up. Mix up that special
Mix it
sauce.
up.
Mix it up.
This is like
Hey.
that.
Hey,
Hey, the
come on,
Jack in the
baby.
Box special sauce. This is it right here.
Yeah,
Okay, oh, look at that. That's a nice little color right there.
Perfect. Now, that would be cute by itself, but, you know, your girl Gabrielle's mad extra.
Okay,
mad
let's go.
extra. So
Bring
we're
it.
going to add in some pickles.
Wow, okay.
Also some maple syrup. A little bit
Maple
of,
syrup.
a little bit of
Okay.
sweetness. Also some apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar, okay.
And then garlic powder, onion powder.
Guess what I'm doing now?
Mix
Mixing it up,
Mm,
mixing
get
it up.
Get it, get it,
Hey,
and
hey,
mix
hey,
it, and
okay.
mix it, and mix
Oh, that's
it,
good.
Get that, fix it. Hey. All
Okay,
right.
there we go.
Okay, so Mario, guess what?
What's up?
We're done.
That's it?
We're done, Mario. Now all
Wow.
we have to do is assemble
And then
our
we assemble.
burgers.
So you put it on right away, right at the end.
Of course. In fact,
Okay.
I try to eat this by itself, you know, but don't try to stop me with that. So I'm gonna load up your burger first.
Okay.
Boom. Do you like a lot of sauce?
I like a lot of sauce.
I'm a saucy
I'm extra
girl.
like you.
Come on, we gotta be extra up in here. There we go. Load up
Wow.
That burger. Ooh, she is dripping.
Wow. And then we get a little, and then we just cut it how we want it, huh?
Precious, however you like it. I
Okay.
like lettuce on bottom.
Oh, you
So-
like it on bottom, all right.
Yeah, I'm gonna just add some little lettuce right there, a
mean,
little tomato.
A little tomato. I might go. Oh, I like a pickle too.
Oh, I need a pickle in my life.
Right?
I'm actually add that right there.
Okay. I'll get a little
Boom.
tomato. Okay, boom, just like this.
Mario.
Should I
look
get
at
into
that.
this one or that
Are
one?
you gonna? We can get into all of it. Listen,
Wow, wait, I
one
can't.
hand with
Come
this.
on, how you gonna get your hands on? How you gonna bite? This is like.
All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it with
Hold
you.
on. Here we go.
5,
One,
6,
two,
7,
10,
8.
go.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. This is great. This will keep you full for like a week.
Yeah, for real, for real, for real.
Listen, for more great recipes, be sure to follow Gabrielle on social media or pick up a copy of her cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking. Great job, sweetie.
Thank you so much.
Up next, we got Cheryl Hines ahead of the Curb Your Enthusiasm premiere. Stay with us.